All right, guys, welcome back. We're on a little bit of a Harbor Freight kick right now, and this is the Grant's steam cleaner from Harbor Freight. My wife got it for me around Father's Day. Haven't used it yet, but finally got the opportunity to, so we're going to test it out on some different surfaces, different little projects. And but yeah, so this thing's got a bunch of attachments. It's a real easy, basic design that just fill it up with water and it heats up, and then you hit the trigger, and it's supposed to clean stuff. I saw some reviews online; it looked pretty cool. So we're going to try it out today. This thing has a bunch of different attachments, like I said. That's like a window cleaner for like a windshield or glass, which is kind of cool. And then just extenders so you can get into hard to reach places, stuff like that. And then a brush, which we're going to be using the brush a lot probably just because it seems like it would clean the best. So either way, let's jump into this and you guys check it out. All right, the water has been added. It's warming up right now. Do not judge. The stove is extremely dirty. I asked my wife not to touch it so we can test this Grant's steamer out. Now, at the bottom, there's a little red light. It's lit until, well, it'll actually stay lit. That means it's heating up. And then right above it is a green light right here. Once it's lit, you're good to go. So let's try this thing out. This thing is very shocking. When you fire this thing up, it does. It sprays out the steam, lots of heat, and it works pretty good. As you can see here, cleaned it up pretty well. I had to go over it a few times. Didn't get it completely. I was really hoping it would clean all this up. This has been there for a while, and that has really kicked on there, so might have to use some oven cleaner to clean that up. But all in all, not too bad. Not very impressed when it came to the four-wheeler, but let's jump on the van. We got to clean this up for my wife for our little trip to Idlewild. So let's check it out, see how well she does. So we're going to use as many attachments as we can with the van. So we're using the window or glass cleaning attachment. It did work actually pretty good. It didn't get the grime off on the inside from my daughter's hands, but for the windshield, you'll see here in a little bit, I did use it on the windshield. It actually worked really well for our trip down to Idlewild. Doing the trim pieces also worked pretty good. We got some little stains in the carpet here. You'll see, boom, right there, a little stain. Did it work? Yeah. The problem I'm having is that this takes so much more time. It takes 10 times as much as if you just had a water bottle with some soap or degreaser in it and you would have just sprayed it down, let it sit for a couple seconds and wiped it up. This thing, you got to fill it up, wait for it to heat up, use it, then you got to wait again. Like I said, it's just time's money, as they say, and this thing just takes forever. So I'm not necessarily a big fan of that. And then some parts, like doing these floor mats, yeah, it looked all right. Doing this one, look at that. No difference. And I took some time to do that, try to get it nice and clean. The results just weren't there. In my opinion, guys, it's not really worth the 50 bucks. It's just, again, my opinion. It's not worth the 50 bucks. Just get some soap, elbow grease, and you're good to go. My wife actually gave me some shoes. You'll see at the end here. My wife gave me a pair of shoes to clean up. And it took me, no joke, 10-15 minutes to try to hold the shoe, clean it with a steamer. And then the other shoe I did in 2 minutes with a scrub brush and soap and water. And actually the scrub brush, soap and water cleaned up significantly better than the steamer. So that's my 2 cents. You guys can try it if you want. But if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them in the comments section below. As always, God bless.